早安 Welcome to Morning Mandarin 我是 Jojo. This video will be the first of a new series, Goodnight Mandarin. In this channel, 早安中文 will guide your Mandarin learning from absolute zero. But in 晚安中文 here, I will share some popular words on Weibo so you can keep up with the trends. If you know these words, your Chinese friends are gonna be like,
Whoa!
Okay, let's get to it. Today's word is 降维打击. I won't tell you what does it mean now. I'll read a piece of short news. See if you can guess the meaning of it. 最近，史上最年轻的世界围棋冠军柯洁，在一场斗地主比赛中获得全国冠军。这可以说是一次降维打击了。谁是柯洁？世界围棋冠军 World Go Champion. He played Go against AlphaGo in 2016. 柯洁做了什么？斗地主 Fighting the Landlord. It's one of the most popular card games in China. 结果是他获得了全国冠军 He earned the national champion. A world champion of a much more complex chess game won a card game. 当然，围棋非常复杂，而斗地主对于柯洁来说更像一个小孩子的游戏。这就叫降维打击 Dimensional Reduction Attack. The word 降维打击 comes from a fiction novel, The Three-Body Problem, 三体 In the novel, a multi-dimensional alien civilization reduced Earth into two-dimensional. In my imagination, we're all turning to cartoons. The common understanding for 降维打击 now is when two sides are not even on the same level, it's a dimensional reduction attack. 一个奥运游泳冠军和一个3岁的小孩子比赛游泳，这就是降维打击。再说一次，一个奥运游泳冠军和一个3岁的小孩子比赛游泳，这就是降维打击。降低开销，降低成本。维度，三维。记得哦，中文会说3D 电影，3D 打印，不会说3维电影。打击，我受到了打击。我受到了沉重的打击。好啦，降维打击，你学会了吗？你能不能用降维打击说一句话呢？留下你的评论吧，别忘记关注我哦。我们下周见。